As you can tell outside, it's dark. It's the night before a big fishing trip. We're gonna go do some pretty gnarly fishing. And so it's pretty late and we gotta get up really early. So I'm gonna go hit the hay and we'll see you guys in the morning.
$12 an hour, don't really get too far. And a damn old bottle of Coke costs 2 and a dime. Well, I know what I'll do. Call up a holler in an hour or two. Mix me up a big batch of mash, start making my own moonshine. I mix my corn into the water when it gets a little hotter. Not quite boiling, but hot enough to scald. 190 proof, baby, that's the truth. If the law tries to catch me, I'll run flying down the road with a pickup.
That thing's tiny. Finally made it to the campsite. Buddy's using an axe to put the things in. We got our tent literally right next to the river. Okay, this is what the setup's looking like right now. Okay, so we just got to our camp. We got the tent all set up, and I think we're gonna get a little bit of lunch and then go fishing. So, yeah, we'll catch you guys when we're down at the river, or actually probably when we're eating lunch. Okay, Wyatt's hooked up. He's on a fish. It looks like it's actually pretty good. Keep it pinned. Oh, it's a good cutty, good cutty, good cutty. Yeah, bring him down, bring him down, bring him down. Let the current take him to me. No, I got net, I got net, I got net. Don't worry about it. Just focus on the fish. Dude. Holy smokes, bro. The audio got a little bit messed up here, so I'll just do voiceover. Oh, that's a big fish! What a beautiful cutthroat trout! Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's get him unhooked and send him on his way. Oh, yeah. Yeah, good job. Way to catch that nice fish. Wow, you guys are awesome fishermen. You guys catch the big ones only. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that thing. It's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Send him on his way.
Oh, yes! Oh, Drex! Oh! I'm filming.
Take my net. There's a fish.
I'm filming.
Take my net.
I got you.
Oh!
I got you.
Oh! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Yeah! Yes! He's huge!
Yes! Okay, the audio also got messed up here, so I'll just do another little voiceover. Oh, Drex, that's a huge fish. Whoa, that's a giant, beautiful cutthroat trout out of this awesome stream. Whoa! Oh my You're gosh. Awesome. You know how to catch big ones only. Great job, buddy. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, so that was like an insane amount of fish we were just catching here. In all this like kind of pocket water. We were just catching a ton, and I mean they were all little, no doubt about it, but we hooked probably like 10 of them, and we missed probably like 30. Because, you know, the little ones, they just strike. And they don't care. Okay, Wyatt's on a pretty good one right now. Nice one. Good gone. Look at this hole right here. Okay, so I think that's all the fishing we're gonna do tonight. So we're back at camp. We're gonna have some dinner, have a fire, maybe rip up a little bit of mini rock crawler RC cars. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. We're in our tent, about to go to sleep. I'm in here with him. It's a 2-man tent and it's barely big enough for 2 people. I mean, it's a tight squeeze in here, but I'm super comfy. And yeah, so we're gonna hit the hay. It's super early and it's cold. I think we're finally nearing the end of our hike. This trail goes a lot further, but we don't have very much stuff. Like, we just have like sandwiches and a little bit of water. And so I think we're gonna maybe have a snack and then start fishing. So, yes. Okay, got a couple, I didn't actually, I only caught one, but got a couple fish in that last hole, and we're pushing onward to the next one. We're still out here, still hiking, still catching fish. We're back in here probably 5 miles, I don't know. I really don't know, but yeah. That's what time it is. Mark's got a real big one on over here. Like, it's like a... Oh my gosh. Pretty good one. And he's gone. Ready? Yeah, Drex. really cool fish. Yeah.
Nice one, Drax.
Woo! There's a fish right here. There he is. There he is. Oh yeah. Round one. Fight. Victory is ours. Nice little cutthroat. Let's get a release on him. Oh. Okay, Wyatt's got a big bull trout on. I think it's a bull trout. It's either a big bull trout or a big whitefish.
I'm sorry, buddy. Popped him a little bit.
Hold him up! Hold him up!
Bang!
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. West rope, cutthroat. Ow! And he's gone! I've never seen a...
We have green apples in our backyard. Well, not green apples.
I've never seen a green apple.
Apple.
Look at this cabin. Hey, yo.
This from last time. A little sour.
Not very.
Oh, I'll catch some more. Oh, I need to put this in my bag first. Will you help me?
Let me find a big one.
Bruh. Oh, there it is. Got a fish on. It took some time, but I finally caught a fish I've been wanting to catch for quite some time now. That being a bull trout. Oh yeah, I see him. Yeah, this is a pretty good one.
Bring him to me. A little hint.
That's a bull trout. That's a bull trout. Net him, net him, net him, net him, net him, net him. Yes! Ready? Are you videoing? Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Well, there he goes. Dang.
I'll just... send him on his way.
I took a lot of pictures. It's alright.
That fish was from this super good hole. Okay, we have to get over to that side somehow. So we're climbing up this super steep gravel hillside and then up over this massive cliff. And then we're gonna go back down and cross. This is not sketchy whatsoever. He said with sarcasm in his voice. Very nice. Got an apple. Bites out of it.
Country music singers have always been a real close family. But lately some of my kinfolks have disowned a few others than me. I guess it's because I kind of changed my direction.
It's hard to see, but right here there's a giant sockeye salmon.
Broke their family tradition. Get on me, wanna know, Hank, why do you drink? Hank, why do you roll smoke? Why must you live out the songs that you wrote? Over and over, everybody made my prediction. So if I get stoned, I'm just carrying on an old family tradition.
Okay, in the tent on night 2, we hiked like 10 or 11 miles today, so I'm super tired, and I'm probably gonna fall asleep within like 10 seconds of closing my eyes. So, well, I think we're gonna kind of have a slow morning tomorrow, but I'll catch you guys then. No, you're not. Okay, I just caught another good, probably 14-incher, but apparently I wasn't even videoing, so it's unfortunate, but it was another cutthroat, nice cutthroat. On a streamer, swinging it, of course, only way to fish. So yeah. Okay, we came to this one last spot along a completely different river on our way home, just to fish it just a little bit more. And we're fishing those drops in there because there could be big bull trout and big rainbows. But yeah, unless I catch something, catch you guys in the car, potentially back at home. You're holding it upside down. Bruh. Holy cow. So that's going to be all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and till next time.